and it's like a spring helper kit. Um, and also I'm going to talk about installing the fog lights on the 2006 Chevy Silverado. Okay, this is the AirMaxxx kit. The instructions for it, and the instructions are good, but they really don't go into great detail. Basically, what the airbag is, it's an airbag, and it's sandwiched between two metal plates on top and two metal plates on the bottom, and then you have a shield there, and that's about it. But the instructions tell you to go step by step. The first part of the instructions is to remove your bump stop, which are these. Once those are removed, you should install the first plate, which is a plate 8. And after that, you don't need to, and really you shouldn't install any other plates. At that point, you should take and assemble the airbag while you're seated at a table or at a desk or something. Completely assemble it. All except for the bottom bracket that attaches to the axle. So there's two long bolts on each side that attaches to that bottom bracket. Now you want to put those bolts in, but they don't screw in, but you have to tape them, put some tape over the top of them so that they don't move, because you're going to put, once you assemble the airbag, you're going to put that whole airbag in as one piece then, and then you bolt it together. So that'll save you a couple of hours at least. Now on to the 2006 Chevy Silverado fog lights. So there are many videos on YouTube about installing the fog lights, and they are good videos and they are true. In my case, you pretty much, it costs around about $70 to install it. 25 for the kit, 25 for the the switch, and what, $12 for the wire harness, and another $20 for the relay, the fuse relay. So all those parts go in great. You know, the getting this out, it's kind of an issue, but you can use a small screwdriver, you can pull it out. After that, everything runs smooth, except when you get to the installation of the fog lights themselves. There are holes inside the bumper. Even once you cut out the plastic piece of the bumper, it's probably best to kind of like U-shape the top part of where the fog light goes in. It won't show, but what it'll do, it'll allow you to get your hand in there and put some screws there and tighten it up, and tighten it with the screws, which is the best way to mount it. So I hope this helps. I hope to save some people some time. But as always, keep it real, be safe out there, and much love. Peace.